What is an airdrop? Think of an airdrop as a coupon giveaway. Imagine a new coffee shop opening in your neighborhood. To attract customers, they distribute free coffee coupons to everyone in the area. These coupons can be used to get a free coffee, enticing people to visit the new shop, try their coffee, and hopefully become regular customers. In a similar way, a cryptocurrency airdrop distributes free tokens to potential users. In essence, a crypto airdrop is a distribution of free tokens or coins by crypto developers to multiple crypto wallets. There are certain criteria they might consider before choosing which wallets to make this deposit, which will be elaborated on as the video unfolds. Meanwhile, welcome to Crypto Made Simple, the top-notch YouTube channel for crypto education where we break down complex cryptocurrency topics for easy understanding. In this video, we will make airdrops as easy to understand as a walk in the park. Let's dive into the main types of airdrops. 1. Standard airdrop. This is a type of airdrop where the developers of a crypto project decide to give free tokens or coins to users or adopters. Most of the time, you don't need to carry out any specific task, but in most cases, you just need to have an account in their platform. An example of a standard airdrop includes, in 2018, the Stellar Development Foundation distributed $125 million worth of XLM tokens to users of the messaging app Keybase. Users simply needed a verified Keybase account linked to their Stellar wallet to receive the tokens. This airdrop aimed to promote Stellar and increase its adoption by leveraging the existing Keybase community, with tokens automatically distributed to eligible users' wallets. 2. Holders airdrop. This type of airdrop rewards existing holders of a particular cryptocurrency with more tokens. It might be past, current, or all the holders. Since the blockchain is a digital and transparent ledger, it is easier for the developer to take a snapshot of all wallets with history of holding their coin or token in order to distribute the airdrops fairly. An example of a holder's airdrop is the Uniswap (UNI) airdrop. In September 2020, Uniswap rewarded its early users with 400 UNI tokens each. Eligible users had to have conducted at least one transaction on the Uniswap platform before September 1, 2020. This airdrop aimed to reward early adopters and decentralize governance by distributing tokens to a broad user base. Users could claim their tokens directly through the Uniswap platform. 3. Bounty airdrop. A bounty airdrop requires participants to perform specific tasks to receive free tokens. These tasks can include promoting the project on social media, joining community channels, or other engagement activities. An example of a bounty airdrop is the BitTorrent (BTT) airdrop. In early 2019, BitTorrent conducted a bounty airdrop to promote the launch of its BTT token. Participants earned BTT tokens by completing tasks such as following BitTorrent on social media, sharing promotional content, and joining community discussions. Rewards varied based on the level of participation, and tokens were distributed to participants' wallets accordingly. This airdrop aimed to drive adoption and engagement within the BitTorrent ecosystem. Airdrops are just one way of acquiring cryptocurrency. The most straightforward method of acquisition is buying crypto. We have a video about buying cryptocurrency you might consider checking out. Why do crypto developers give airdrops? Airdrops are often used by crypto projects to promote their launch, increase awareness, and build a community. Just like our analogy about the coffee shop, it gets the attention of users, and users become more interested if the project tends to be a good one. How to participate in a crypto airdrop. To participate in a crypto airdrop, follow these steps. Step 1. Create a crypto wallet. The first thing you need is a crypto wallet to receive the airdrop. Examples of wallets you can create include MetaMask, Uniswap, and Trust Wallet. You can check our other video, Road to Crypto Ownership, if you don't know how to create a wallet. Step 2. Identify the airdrops. Identify which airdrops you want to participate in. There are many websites where you can find information about crypto airdrops, but we recommend the most trustworthy ones. Airdrop.io, and CoinMarketCal. These sites provide information on current and upcoming crypto airdrops, including launch dates and the tasks you need to complete to qualify. It's essential to read about each project and make an informed decision. Step 3. Perform the required tasks. Once you've identified an airdrop, complete the required tasks. These tasks can vary but often include actions like following the project on social media, joining their community channels, or other engagement activities. After completing the tasks, wait for your airdrop. Easy peasy. What are the benefits and drawbacks of airdrops? Benefits. Airdrops are beneficial to both participants and project developers. For participants, airdrops provide free tokens after performing minimal tasks, offering a great way to learn about cryptocurrency projects without investing any money. For developers, airdrops help promote the project, create awareness, and build a community. Drawbacks. 1. Scams. The most significant drawback is the prevalence of scams. Some developers create fake projects and use airdrops to gather users' information, such as emails or wallet private keys, to steal assets. Never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. At this point, you might be thinking of hitting that subscribe button because we plan to create a video about crypto security. 2. Low-value rewards. Many airdrops have little to no value, making the effort of completing tasks not worth the reward. Even though airdrops are free, it's still advisable to do your own research. To wrap up, airdrops are a unique and exciting way to acquire cryptocurrency, offering benefits for both participants and developers. They can help you get free tokens and learn about new projects with minimal investment. However, always be cautious of scams and do your own research before participating. Using a separate wallet for airdrops can help protect your main assets. Thanks for watching. If you learned anything, please give us a like as it motivates us to create more content. Don't forget to subscribe to keep seeing content like this. Goodbye for now, and most especially, we hope to see you in the next video.